Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this brand new headphones. It is done by Mixcder. It is modeled E9. It's a beautiful headphones. I want to mention that this is a noise cancelling headphones, and also I want to bring up that a lot of big companies like Microsoft and also JBL and a bunch of other ones brought up their big budget headphones that were noise cancelling. This is a budget version and it works like really good. Now I want to mention that make sure you subscribe to our channel and also make sure you give us a thumbs up. If you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out. You can see box is really nicely designed, and once we open it, you can see the components that are part of this is an actual pouch or a case that the headphone sits in it, and it has a little zipper. Once we open that, you can see that there is a little plastic with some little accessories and the headphone itself. It sits really nicely in there. You have to take it out. It comes with a user manual, and the user manual is very thick, you can see, but it explains everything. So we will put this aside. That comes with it. Now the wire that is part of this will be connected to this, and then you can connect this in an airplane because they have two headset jacks there. So this is really good, handy dandy, because if you are inside of a plane, this will cost you roughly about $5 to get, and once you leave the plane, they will take it back from you. If you have it, you're ahead of the game. Through USB to USB 2.0 connection, this is how you're going to charge your headphones a lot easier, and the charging part of it does not take that long. So here's the wire with a male to male headset jacks on both sides, so this way one will be connected to your headphones, the other one will be connected to your phone or to wherever you want to listen your music from. But this is very durable, and also it is almost a meter long. But again, this is 3.5 jack on each side, and yes, it will work crazy good. There is a little brochure that comes with it. It is a way of saying thank you. When you're purchasing, there is a little scan, so that way you're going to get more information from the official website. So this is also part of it once you're purchasing this. Itself, you can see that it is nicely designed. Also has a little parts you can put it to your bag, or you want to hold this to your hiking equipment, and once you open it is the best part. So they do have a little spot, and this is really hard. This way one headset sits on each side, and the headband part of it that goes around on your head is going to be in the bottom part of this, and this part is going to hold everything together. That's it. Now the headphones itself is very slick the way that they have designed it. I know that it doesn't cost a lot to purchase one of these, but the best part is how they have put everything together. So you can put it on the table. This is more like a DJ headsets, and when you go around it, this part is very durable, and you can open it so that way it will get bigger, and you can see that there are little threads there so that way it will fit your head. Now this is going on both sides, and it looks like it locked up right now, but you can open on this side too, so this way bigger head will be positioned in this properly. Another part is that there are little left and a right marking here, so this way you know which side you have to put on your head, so you can listen to the music properly. And also the part of it that sits on your head is very nice and very durable, and this part also not going to hurt top of your head, so it will sit in. Another good thing that I want to mention is they have their name written really nicely on the top, and this part has a really nice design to it. It's really nicely cut, and the cushions that are going on your ear is very durable. One thing that I noticed is the noise cancellation on this is a little bit better than the other headsets because the way that they have created these cushions. And also if your ears are a little bit small and it goes inside of this, it is not going to hurt your head and also ear that much because of the thickness of the cushion that they have created around this. But the noise cancellation on this is way better than the other headsets. There are little pieces around here, the noise cancellation button, which you can turn it on or turn it off. So it's not a button that you press. You have to move it, which is a plus sign. And also you have the headset jack, so this way the wire that comes with it you can connect, and this way it's going to be connected to your phone or to the tablet that you're trying to listen to. And also it goes around in order for it to connect and disconnect. So this is the volume up and volume down. And then go on to the charger part. So this is how you're going to charge it. And also when you're turning it on and turning it off as a Bluetooth, this is the button that you have to hold in order to do that. With the Bluetooth connection, the distance that you will get in outdoor is 33 feet, but once you're indoor, it becomes 49 feet, which is really wide range for the house. And then when you go in for the pendency is 32 ohms. The sensitivity on this is 94 dB, but again, it depends on how far and how sensitive you want this to get. I want to mention one more thing, that there is a little button for noise cancellation, and by default, it should be turned off. With the noise cancelling, you will be getting roughly about 24 hours, but if it is turned off, that becomes about 30 hours, which has not been actually says on the headphones itself, but again, it's fully understandable. We will be placing a link where you can order this from, and also some more information on our own website at the bottom of this video. And that was our take. So I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.